Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Uh, do you use public transport?
Yes, I use public transport to go school or the parks. Mm, it is very comfortable, but I feel more comfortable in my own
In my own
in
vehicle.
vehicles.
Okay, that's good. Are you satisfied with the transport system of your hometown?
Yes, well, this is very good, but because my family is big, so I feel more comfortable in my own vehicles. Mm, because the family members are not adjust in the local vehicles.
Okay, do you prefer to travel by train or by plane?
Yes, I travel to by plane. Recently, I visit to Canada. It is very good
So you went to
experience.
Canada by train or by plane?
No, by
By
plane.
plane.
Yes.
Okay. So your main issue is with sentence structure. The
Okay.
sentences you are trying to make, recently I go to Canada. It should have been recently I went to Canada or I've been to Canada. Focus your tenses,
Okay.
especially your grammar, and then practice these topics and you'll be fine. Okay. Now let's go on. It's your turn, please. Do you like going for a walk?
Yes, yes, I like going walk because I'm very fatty. Then but I'm so nervous.
That's okay. Don't worry. Just try to answer the question, okay? Yeah. So therefore, I would love to go for a walk, and I like going for a walk very much. Okay. Do you prefer to go for morning walk or evening walk?
I prefer a evening walk because I'm a housewife and in morning time I'm so busy. Then I prefer evening walk.
Good. Your English is good, and you're answering very well. Just try to answer in 5 to 6 sentences, okay? Now, let's go on. Do you go for a walk alone or with any of your family members?
It's the mood of my mood because I prefer alone walk.
I prefer to go for a walk
Walk
alone
alone.
because then I feel more comfortable. I can walk at my own pace, right?
Right.
So you need to add some more to it, okay? All right, one last question. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports. Not playing, but I watch sports.
Okay, so this answer is short. I'm telling you again, your English
Okay,
is good. Just overcome your nervousness, overcome this anxiety, and you can answer the questions well. Now you have the book, so all these topics are there. You can practice from there, right? Thank you so much.
Thank